Hey guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making these delicious, easy, quick and easy puff pastries. These are apple puff pastries. You don't have to do apple, you can do cherry. There's so many things that you can fill these puff pastries with. I want to show you a quick way to make them in the Ninja Foodi grill. It's a quick recipe, I promise you guys. So hit that like button if you like quick recipes. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of this recipe. And hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, make sure you check the description box below. I will have the links for everything I use. But if I'm missing something, let me know and I will make sure I add the link there below. But let's go ahead and dive right into making these delicious, amazing apple puff pastries. Alright, so what we're going to need today are puff pastry sheets. Now these are frozen. These can be found in the frozen aisle next to the ice cream, or where you would find like the Cool Whip. At least that's where I found mine. Now these have to stay frozen, so when you're ready to use them you have to thaw them for 3 to 4 hours, or there's instructions to microwave them in order to thaw them. So there's instructions on how to thaw them. I thawed mine by waiting 3.5 hours and almost 4 hours actually, so very close. Then I also have this apple filling. It's Duncan Hines Comstock. It's apple filling for apple pie. You can use this or you can make your own with apples and cinnamon and brown sugar. That's what my mom does, but just to make it quick, we're going to be using this can of apple filling. And this part is optional. You can make it pretty by having that toasty brown color on top with egg. You need 1 egg and you need 1 tablespoon of water. And then you'll also need some pure sugar cane. I'm using organic pure cane sugar, and it's just big chunks of sugar essentially, just so that we can season it on top. So I'm actually going to open the packaging for my puff pastry here. Okay. Alright, so there's 2 sheets total. Just be a little bit careful here. Looks like they're stuck together. Okay. So there's 2 sheets. I'm going to start with the first one. There's like little pieces of parchment paper. Just rub it down. There's already flour on it. Okay. Go to the other side, because you want it to be pretty, right? So, alright. We are going to cut this in 4, okay? So do your best to cut evenly down the middle. And then also again, kind of making 4 squares, okay? And of course, I kind of did an extra thing right here. See that? Don't worry, you can press it back in. Okay. Alright, so now we have 4 sheets. Okay? We're going to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple filling. You can do 2 big chunks. They're pretty big, so you can cut them smaller if you want. You're just going to put that in the middle here. About 1 to 2 tablespoons. I'm going to press it closed. You don't want to overfill. And if you have a fork, you can press it down and do the lines and actually get a fork. Or you can get water and seal it. That's up to you. And press it sealed. I don't want to do this one. So. Okay. This is how you're going to seal it shut, is just go all the way around. You can make a little cut in the top to vent. That's up to you. It's already soft. And then you're also going to whisk the egg. If you decide to do this option, I'm actually going to get parchment paper So it was rolled up. So the key to making it stay flat is I kind of wrinkle it up so it's not bending up. So I'm just going to set that up, put that right here. You're going to do the same for all of them. You can put any filling. I'm doing apple, so if you want to do cherry, you're more than welcome to. There's other things that you can put in there. You're going to whisk your egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Okay. Whisk it really well. And then I have a brush that I got from Dollar Tree. You guys, this brush is my favorite. Alright. All I'm going to do, just grab and brush the egg on all around. Okay. After you do that, just grab some sugar, sprinkle it on. Alright. And that is how you do that one. My battery is dying, so I'm going to finish these up, put a new battery, and then we'll be back to preheat the oven. Okay, so now that we have our puff pastries ready, we're going to turn on our grill. We're going to set it to bake. And then this is where we're going to set the temperature to 345 for 10 minutes. Hit start. And we're using our air fryer basket. Alright, we'll allow it to preheat and we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and add the pastries. Let's try and do it with our little sheets here. Make sure they don't overlap. Oh, there I go. Okay. Actually, let me see if I can move them. Let's get... fairly large, so we may need to cook them in batches. No, they look like they fit. Okay. Alright, so we're going to allow them to cook. We'll be back in about 5 minutes. Alright, so just about 5 minutes in, you can see they're already starting to get a little bit brown. So they're browning up nice and they're getting nice and toasty. So we'll let them finish up the 5 minutes and they should be done. Alright, so they're finishing up. We're waiting. Alright. Look at them, they look so good. I'm gonna bring them out and that way we can take a closer look as to how they look and then we can do the taste test. Alright, and there we have it, our puff pastries. I did allow them to cool for a few minutes. But you can hear that crunch. So good. And the best part, it was super easy to make in the Ninja Foodi Girl. Frozen puff pastries. You can make the puff pastries yourself with flour and there's a bunch more ingredients. But this is a quick way to do it. I definitely recommend doing it. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button for more Ninja Foodi Girl recipes coming your way on Nighttime Mommy Reviews. All year long, 2020 is the year for new recipes with the Ninja Foodi Girl. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed. Let me know in the comments what you think of this recipe. But until next time, you guys have a great day.